What if I can't find my spouse to serve the divorce forms? Have you ever wondered what happens if you cannot find your spouse to serve the divorce forms? It can be a frustrating situation, but there are steps you can take to move forward. First, it is essential to make diligent efforts to locate your spouse. Start by checking their last known address. You can also contact their workplace or reach out to family members who might have information. Searching public records and using online resources can also help. Be sure to document all your attempts to find them, as this will be important later. If you still cannot find your spouse after making these efforts, you can file a motion for alternate service or a motion to serve by publication with the court. This motion requests permission from the judge to serve your spouse through alternative means. One common method is to publish a notice of the divorce in a local newspaper. Another option is to post the notice at the courthouse. The court may also allow you to serve your spouse via certified mail to their last known address, email, or even social media, depending on what the judge approves. When you file this motion, you will need to provide an affidavit or a detailed statement explaining all the steps you took to locate your spouse. You must also explain why personal service was not possible. If the court denies your motion, they may suggest additional efforts you need to take before you can reapply. Once the court grants permission for alternate service, you can proceed with the method approved by the judge. After you complete this process, it is important to follow up. If your spouse does not respond within the required time frame after being served by these alternative methods, you can request the court to enter a default judgment. This allows the divorce to move forward without your spouse's participation. This process ensures that even if your spouse is missing or avoiding service, you can still legally proceed with your divorce. Always remember to follow the court's instructions carefully and keep thorough records of all your attempts to serve the papers. By doing so, you can navigate this challenging situation more smoothly and ensure that your rights are protected during the divorce process.